Birdie, what do you want for lunch?
You know, for a few days I've been craving some mac and cheese, but I feel like it never really fills me up.
Yeah.
You know a way that you can make it a little more satiating?
I do, and I will. Let's make some craft dinner. One, cook your pasta.
So this is starting to look like, you know, the classic KD or mac and cheese for our American friends. I just want to know, what are you going to do differently? Like, what are your hacks for this?
Kicking things off, business as usual. Gonna just like let that cheese sauce melt in. I like to add a little extra protein with cottage cheese. It adds lots of protein, it's cheesy, it really doesn't add any kind of flavor, but it makes for a richer sauce that also has lots of good protein in it. And for some extra fats, some mozzarella bocconcini balls, because who doesn't want some melty, ooey gooey cheese going on to their mouth? Not only is this gonna be way more satiating, but it is also just like so much more delicious than the OG. Check that out.
So that's looking really good, but I've learned a lot from you, and I know that this is missing a little bit of fiber.
Well, you are in luck, my friend, because I got some steamed broccoli. Gonna turn off the heat, fold that bad boy in.
Gotta fold in the cheese.
Fold in the cheese. You fold it in! Oh. Yeah.
Abby, what are you doing?